right, so some of these other stitches that you're gonna find on here would be different examples of just different stitches. You can find out more in your instruction manual. Let's take, for example, number 57. That kind of is an interesting looking stitch. A lot of people wonder what that means. That would be for darning, and if you're going to be darning, let's say some socks, for example, you definitely want to use the buttonhole foot in conjunction with that, and the instruction manual tells you a little bit more about that. If you see a stitch that looks like this little guy, this is going to be your tacking stitch. This would be to be able to reinforce pockets, for example, where you have the need for just some reinforcement. That tacking is going to be really nice. You can make it as long as you want, and very helpful little stitch there. And this one finally is your eyelet stitch, and yes, it is on both machines. This one you're going to adjust your tension, so again, pay attention in the manual as to what that means. I believe it says between a 1 and a 4, but this is going to be able to create like holes for, let's say you were doing a belt, for example, and then you would use a little pair of scissors to cut through that hole, or something like an awl. If you have one of those, you could punch an eyelet hole right through there. So a lot of different things to look at, a lot of different options. Just play with it, have fun, and enjoy your new Janome sewing machine.